16 foods with no carbs and no sugar. Many people nowadays want to lose weight and get healthy. Junk foods high in refined sugars and processed carbohydrates have been shown to cause inflammation throughout the body. Diabetes, obesity, arthritis, eye disorders, heart attacks, strokes, and other illnesses. In today's video, we'll share a list of the top 16 healthy foods with very few carbs or sugars. Eating these instead of junk foods will provide your body with plenty of nutrients and allow it to heal naturally. Pecan nuts have a very low net carbohydrate content and a high fiber content. These nuts contain minerals that help the thyroid gland heal and are an excellent source of omega-3. Eggs contain all of the building blocks of life, but no carbs or sugars. They are high in proteins, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, which aid in the healing and growth of body cells. Cheese is one of the best sources of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and K2. This aids calcium absorption into the bones, teeth, and nails. It also contains beneficial fatty acids and proteins that promote brain health. Another low-carb food high in natural fats is butter. One of the best sources of vitamin A is pure butter that has not been mixed with vegetable oil. Vitamin A safeguards your eyes, skin, and hair. Calcium in butter also helps to strengthen bones and is highly bioavailable. Beef is a nutritious red meat that is high in vitamin B12. Beef is an excellent source of healthy muscle development. Beef, like chicken and other meats, provides energy. Beef also has no carbohydrates or sugar. Green tea is one of the healthiest drinks on the planet because it contains chlorophyll, which is high in antioxidants. Chlorophyll heals the body on a cellular level, assisting you to lose weight and reduce inflammation. Salmon, like other fish, is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which aid in internal healing. Eating fish while trying to lose weight improves the health of the central nervous system. Chicken is a white meat with a high iron, protein, calcium, potassium, and B vitamin content. These promote heart health and increase serotonin levels in the brain, which helps to prevent depression. Meat sources have no carbohydrates or sugar. Coconut oil is a healthy oil that contains a lot of natural fats. Despite the fact that coconut oil contains no sugars or carbohydrates, it serves as an alternative fuel for the body. It assists you in achieving strong mental focus as well as a healthy overall body. To improve your health, replace vegetable oil with extra virgin coconut oil when cooking. Cauliflower is a nutritious vegetable with anti-inflammatory properties due to its high antioxidant content. It contains two antioxidant groups that have been scientifically proven to slow the growth of cancerous cells. Watermelon has a very low carbohydrate and natural sugar content. It is high in fiber and minerals, and it aids in flushing the digestive system and maintaining colon health. This fruit is a great replacement for junk food. All fruits, including blackberries and strawberries, contain trace amounts of sugar, but berries contain the least. Blackberries and strawberries contain pigments that aid in body healing and brain function. Xylitol can be used in place of granulated sugar. Xylitol is a natural sweetener derived from birch tree wood. It has the same sweet taste as sugar, but it is not absorbed by the body and does not cause an insulin response. As a result, it is ideal for those attempting to lose weight. Mint is one of the most nutritious and delicious natural herbs available. It contains menthol, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that heals the body from within. It also has no sugars or carbohydrates and can be used in a variety of dishes and drinks. Turmeric is a powerful natural healer found in nature. This spice is mostly used in cooking, but it can also be used as a medicine to quickly improve the body's health. Turmeric can help lower blood pressure, aid in weight loss, and treat depression and anxiety. Make sure to add some black pepper to help your body absorb the curcumin compound that's found in turmeric. Kale is one of the world's most nutrient-dense superfoods. This is a leafy green vegetable that aids in the reduction of inflammation, while also providing energy and nutrients. It contains no carbohydrates and only healthy fibers. As you can see, there is a wide variety of foods that contain no sugar or carbs, including the majority of leafy green cruciferous vegetables, which can be eaten without concern, and contain the highest amount of plant-based nutrients. These vegetables are best eaten raw because they lose some of their nutrients when heated. When following a low-carb diet, it is critical to be aware that many fruits are high in fructose. Fructose is a sugar that can stimulate an insulin response, slowing weight loss. Do not stop taking any prescribed medications or treatments without consulting your doctor. The materials and the information contained on this channel are provided for general and educational purposes only, and do not constitute any legal, medical or other professional advice on any subject matter.